In this video, we're going to learn how to solve this ACT maths question easily and fast using the TI 84 plus scientific calculator. Alright, now guys, this question is very simple. You don't need to store any value. You don't need to reset the calculator to solve it. So let's get started. So to simplify this question, this is a question you can apply the right law of indices to it and get it solved easily. Now, merely looking at this question, I already know that the correct option will be option D, but let's verify. To simplify this on the calculator, so we have 36 alright to the power. Okay, so is in fraction, so you put negative sign first. Now pay attention guys, make use of this negative sign for this negative sign at this question. Don't use this one, use this one. Okay, so in fraction, press alpha, window, this is fraction, press 1. Alright, 3 minus 3 over 2. So that's it. Let's press enter button to get the output. So we have it to be 0.0046. So right now, let's simplify option D that I have already said it will be the correct option and see whether it will give us 0.0046. So it's in fraction. I can just do 1 divide, it will work 216. Okay, you see 0.0046. So this is basically how you can simplify this kind of problem using the TI 84 plus scientific calculator easily and fast. Hope you learned something interesting from this video. Let's call it a video, guys. If you are new to my channel, ensure that you are subscribed to this channel by hitting the subscribe button. Now for more of these videos, also like, share and comment on this video. Tell me how you feel for what you learned from this video. If you seem to have any specific questions to ask regarding what I've talked about in this video, feel free to leave your question in the comment section below and I will ensure to give you a response. Alright, now click on the end screen above and I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.